Guidance, and protection that have brought us to this day. We sincerely thank you for your generous. It marks a significant milestone in our journey towards serving.
Today, we all gather here in this hall to mark a very significant milestone in the history of the Holy Cross Health Center. It is really my great pleasure to be a part of this very important program, because this state-of-art hospital that we have here for all these years has really rendered its services, especially to the poor and downtrodden people. Being a representative from the rural area, I have witnessed myself the pain, the problems, the difficulties that the people in the rural areas face from time to time. I don't know if the mission hospitals don't exist in our state. What will be the fate of the health care to those who are in need? For most of us who can afford to go to the best hospitals in the world, to seek medical treatment, medical support, it is okay. But there are people, when they get sick, the first and the foremost is that they take out the land documents of their own property and go to their neighbors, go to their friends, and borrow some money, so that they can attend to the problem that they faced. I'm so glad that nowadays, at least to some extent, I used to sometimes hammer those families who don't even take care about enrollment themselves under the MHIS scheme. And some of them who still call me, but whenever I ask, have you enrolled yourself in the MHIS scheme of this government? Some of them no. Why? For no reasons. Though the government has put all its sincere efforts to go right up to the village levels to ensure that awareness is being provided to the people to be aware about what needs to be done. Now at least, to whatever extent, the poor and the needy people have been able to enjoy the health treatment through the NHIS card. Not only in the government hospitals, but in the private hospitals as well. There are so many cases. The bill amounting to 2 lakhs, 1 lakh 50, entire amount is being paid by the government. So therefore, each and every one of us have to understand the importance of all these facilities and schemes that the government is extending from time to time.